Peshawar High Court has directed the Director General of Mines and Minerals to conduct an inquiry into appointment of 4 low-ranking employees in the department allegedly on directives of the then Chief Minister in those are base full stop. A bench consisting of Justice Muhammad Naim, disposed of a petition jointly filed by 2 of the candidates filed by 2 of the candidates for the posts of class 4 implies, claiming that the said 4 persons were appointed on political grounds. Full stop. The bench directed the Director General to conduct the inquiry and strictly proceed with the matter in accordance with the law. Full stop. It is in its reply, the Employment Exchange Commission, also admitted that the names of the 4 respondents were included in the list provided to the department for the purpose of recruitment on the orders received from Chief Minister House. Full stop. The record made available before this court would transpire that in the light of direction of this court given in writ petition number 4, those are B's, the official respondents called the petitioners for interview but did not consider them for appointment against the post of class 4 despite having higher qualification, and instead issued appointment orders in favor of the private respondents. The bench observed, full stop. The bench observed that the manager of Employment Exchange had also admitted the fact in his comments as well as before the court on January 30, those are 24, that names of the 4 private respondents had been included in the requisite list on the direction of the then Chief Minister of KP. Full stop. Paragraph. The petitioners named Abid Zia had requested the court to set aside the appointment of the 4 respondents and they might be appointed against the said posts as they were having higher qualification than the appointed persons. Full stop. The petitioners' counsel Sanaullah stated that his clients registered themselves with Employment Exchange on January 21. Those are B's. Full stop. He said that in response to demand of the Director General Mines and Minerals on February 3, those are B's, the manager of Employment Exchange submitted list of registered candidates on February 18. Full stop. He stated that subsequently the list submitted on February 18, those are B's, which included the names of the petitioners, was changed and another list was furnished by the Employment Exchange wherein their names were deleted.